Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Corolla dashboard using an easy method. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, locate and remove the two screws holding the A-pillar trim in place. With those screws out, gently pry off the side dash panel. This initial step provides access to crucial fasteners, making the rest of the process much smoother and safer. Moving on, you'll need to address the center console. Begin by removing any visible screws securing the console trim. Once the screws are out, carefully lift and detach the entire console panel. This reveals more fasteners and wiring. Next, unclip the radio bezel, which usually involves a few clips and possibly one or two screws. Remember to disconnect all electrical connectors from the radio and climate controls. Now let's tackle the air vents. There are typically screws holding these in place, often hidden behind the trim you've already removed. After unscrewing them, gently pull out the entire air vent assemblies. With the vents out, you'll gain access to several key bolts or screws located along the top edge of the dashboard, usually near the windshield. Removing these fasteners is crucial for freeing the upper section of the dash. For the final stage, double-check for any remaining electrical connectors or hidden fasteners that might still be securing the dashboard. Once everything is disconnected and unfastened, carefully and slowly lift the entire dashboard assembly out of the vehicle. Take your time to avoid damaging any components or wiring. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. This method helps ensure a smooth removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.